In this video, I want to explain the business model canvas to you and give you an example for a print shop that we've started in Malawi. So the business model canvas is a one-page visual way of showing your business model or your business plan. So it has 9 different elements. So let's go over them. You start here with the customer segments. So the customer segments are the groups of people that you are creating value for. So who are you targeting? Who are you serving? Then you have the value proposition. So the value proposition is actually what problems do you solve, or what value do you deliver to your customer? What bundles of products and services are you offering? And then customer relationships are what type of relationship do you have with the customer? Is it one-on-one? Is it online? And channels are more the marketing channels. So is it through, do you market your value proposition through WhatsApp or through your shop or through flyers or whatever? So that's the right side of the canvas. On the left side of the canvas, you see your key activities. So your key activities are what kind of activities do you do to fulfill your value proposition? So what type of activities do you do? And what kind of resources do you need to your value proposition? So for example, that can be machines or maybe a shop, something that you have to deliver your value proposition. So on the left side are your key partners. So who are your partners in delivering your value proposition to your customer? And then when we go down, we see the revenue streams. So what different kinds of revenue streams do you have to fulfill your value proposition to your customers? And what kind of cost structure do you have? So let's go over the print shop in Malawi. So let's start with the customer segment. So in this case, my friend Gibson is delivering to the general public to print color prints or black and white printing. You see, I made this yellow. So he delivers this color printing or black and white printing for the general public, but also for hospitals. Hospitals sometimes come and ask him to also print some documents. So for business owners, they need graphic design. So he gives graphic design, like he makes flyers. Now that's a value proposition that he delivers to the business owners. Schools, they ask for examinations, so he prints examinations and delivers that to the schools. So most of his relationships are one-on-one. He speaks to them one-on-one, not online, and he meets them in a shop. And there's actually another, he also has flyers that he uses, and he is using business cards. So let's add those as well, business cards. All right, so the key activities are printing, of course. He needs to print. You need to maintain the printers. Very, very important. If they break down, then he cannot deliver his value proposition. And he needs to do graphic designing on his computer. Then the key resources is printers, computer, but also his shop, of course, which is also a resource to deliver the value proposition. And he has a friend of his, a print shop in Lilongwe, that is giving him advice and helping him. Sometimes he buys printers or toners or paper from that area. Okay, let's look at the revenue streams and the cost structure. So on the revenue streams, he can print in bulk, so print examinations, that will bring in money. Graphic designs is a stream of income. And of course, the normal printing color, black and white. And then on the left side, you have some costs: electricity, owner's salary, maintenance of the printers, toners, paper, emergency giving, employee salary, and savings. We always do emergency givings and savings. So I hope this helps. It's a very simple, easy way to map out your business model.